Everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to receive money with Bizum from anyone, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Ensure Bizum is activated. First, make sure Bizum is set up on your bank app. Open your app, go to the Bizum section, and confirm you see Receive Money or Request options. Step 2. Share your phone number. Bizum uses your mobile number as the destination. Simply give your registered phone number to the sender. No need for IBANs or bank details. Step 3. Wait for the incoming notification. When someone sends you Bizum money, you'll get a push notification or SMS telling you who sent the funds and the amount. Step 4. Accept the transfer if required. Most banks auto-credit incoming Bizum transfers. If your bank requires confirmation, tap Accept in the notification or app, then Confirm. The money lands instantly in your account. Step 5. Check your balance. Open your bank app and verify the new balance in your account. You should see the credited amount immediately. Pro tip: enable notifications and keep your app up to date so you never miss a Bizum payment. And that's how you receive money with Bizum in 2025. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy banking tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.